Hey everybody, we're back for the VAT 45 on the battery heavy load test. So in the last video I showed you guys, or in the last section I showed you guys how to use the analog old style VAT 40. Here's the VAT 45, which is a digital version. This one's actually a lot easier to use. You just simply answer a few questions. So right off the bat, we are capable of using this tester for alternators or starters as well. We'll show that in later videos. But for right now, we're doing a battery test. So up here, I've got a knob that controls the direction of my arrow. And then I've got yes and no. So we'll go ahead and click yes for our battery test. Then it's asking, am I testing this after a charge or am I doing an initial test? We're just gonna go ahead and do an initial test. Again, make sure your battery is charged up before you do this test. Now it's going to ask us the battery size. In the last video we showed, or in the last section, we showed cold cranking amps of 425. For this one, it goes in increments of 10. So we're gonna go ahead and just have to pick 420 CCA for our cold cranking amps. And now it's asking us if we wanna start. We can go ahead and click yes. Right now it's gonna load the battery. You can see it's actually loading less than half the CCA. We're only actually asking around 110 amps right now. And it's even counting down. So right now it's counting down from 20 to see in between testing, because it is gonna load again just to double check and make sure that the battery is the reading that it has. So right now we'll go ahead and load again. There's our load 2. And I don't know if you caught it, but it was counting down from 15, as I mentioned before. And you can see our voltage is going down, but not past 10.5, which is well above our minimum of 9.6. So it's analyzing and telling us that the battery is in fact good. So that's how you use a VAT 45 tester. I didn't mention, but we did hook it up just the same exact way. Our voltage cables with our negative battery cable here. And I can actually feel heat coming off of the battery. So this is a pretty intense test for the battery. So that's how you do heavy load. Thanks guys. Let us know if you have any questions.